Alright, so this is it. I picked this up at Lowe's. This is the cordless blower and string trimmer kit. I got this for $159, and it does come with a charger and a 4.0 battery. Of course, brushless tools. I've been using like the Harbor Freight ones that are corded and all that with the blower and string trimmer, and definitely tired of that. So my first battery operated one. I do have a gas one, but has a little bit of issues. I gotta freshen up on the motor or whatnot. But for 160 bucks, definitely can't beat this. Bare tool, I think these are like $90, and this is like 130 or 140 with the battery and charger that comes with the string trimmer. So it's like what, $230 value for $160. It was only on sale for what, 1 week. I think it was last week. So get ready for the summer and all that. I think I'd be able to use the blower to dry the car off. I might should be strong enough instead of using the chamois. But let's get into this. I was gonna wait, see if it goes on sale a little later, but I figured why not buy it now and get it over with. Get the handle. There's the charger. And another 4.0, halfway charged. There's the blower itself. You guys want some specs on it? Shroud. It does come with string, so that's nice. I don't know how much is in there, but it is a dual feed as well. It's a collapsible arm. A little bit of assembly required. I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright, so I got everything pretty much set up. Just had to attach this snout on the blower, and that was pretty easy. Attach the handle on the trimmer and the guard, two screws there, and then this collapses here. You just put these 2 screws in and it's ready to go. But yeah, that was really easy. I threw a battery in, give you a little demonstration, but if you want me to give you an update or review on these, let me know. Hopefully, I think it'll definitely be worth it. But definitely seems decent. It's fairly quiet as well. Definitely nice and quiet. I like that. Check out the trimmer. Definitely quiet as well. Definitely liking this so far. But like I said, if you guys want an update or a review on these, let me know. Definitely happy I purchased this when it was on sale. Really, really worth it. But yeah, that'll do it for that.